Hey y'all, as some of y'all know, this is my first tutorial, so we just gonna jump into this look. First, I'm starting off with the outline of my eyebrows, and then we're gonna fill them in. I get the front of my hair slight strokes, and I'm gonna brush it out just to make the hairs look faded in the front. Anybody know what's next is to conceal underneath your eyebrow. Y'all gonna see me here for a little minute blending because I feel like this is the most important part of your face, your eyebrows. Doing exactly what we did for the other brows with concealer and shade.
Wilson Beats. S-Bling on the track.
noticed that my concealer was a little too high, so I'm using the makeup wipe as an eraser and going back and fixing my mistake. Covering my lids with a natural eyeshadow base. Tapping that purple into my crease, I'm going to start on the outer corner and sweep to my inner corner.
S-Bling on the track.
Taking that lighter purple, I'm going to blend out that darker purple above my crease. Next, I'm taking pink and putting it right above that lighter purple. Taking makeup remover and a Q-tip, I'm cleaning off the base of my lid so I can cut my crease. I am a newbie to cutting creases. Please do not drag me. Later on in the future, y'all see me doing bigger and better. Thank you. Just trying to add that dark purple back into my creases. I already applied my lashes and did my crease. I'm just going to repeat it on the other side and show y'all how I did it. Taking that dark purple and packing it on the outside of my lid, and then the pink one, packing it on the inside of my lid. The lighter purple I used to blend out that darker purple, I'm just going to place it in the middle of my lid. Mascara on my real lashes to get some of that eyeshadow off, and then placing the lashes on top. Using a primer and putting it all over my face. Special way of putting on foundation on the face. It goes on the same, so y'all gonna see me putting on foundation like 20 different ways. Yo, that's my bad, child. I'm so sorry. I couldn't edit this out. I'm sorry.
Strong beats. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Highlighting now with my concealer underneath my eyes, my chin, and between my eyebrows.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Y'all, I was trying to open this paper and didn't see that it had a flap to open, and I hurt my teeth. I was mad.
Strong beats.
Using my concealer brush, I'm blending out that concealer even more into my skin. I don't always bake, but I just felt like baking today, so. Dusting off that setting powder with a finishing powder that's about my skin tone. The pencil wasn't sharpened and I scraped my lip by accident. About to fix up my edges and do my hair and be right back. Here's the final product. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications.